Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video I will show you how to get infinite flowers in survival. So the first thing you want to have is a big area filled with grass. Then you have to grab a hoe and smoothen out this area as shown so you can get tiled soil. This step is very important.
What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
After you're finished with this, place your flower on the tiled soil. Only one flower is required. So now you have to wait. I won't show you the wait because it's long, and I will show you the results.
A few minutes later.
Now, as you can see, the flowers have completely duplicated. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.